Hi, my name is Dani and I'm with SMV Virtual Consulting, and I'm going to show you how to do a two-way sync in Airtable. Two-way sync is a powerful feature that revolutionizes data management by allowing teams to edit records across multiple locations while maintaining a single source of truth. This is crucial in today's hybrid work environment as it prevents data silos and ensures that everyone has access to the most up-to-date information. By connecting target tables to a primary source table, any changes made automatically sync back, enhancing collaboration and efficiency. When implemented thoughtfully, two-way sync is an invaluable tool for maintaining data accuracy and connectivity across teams. Right now, I have two bases that I want to talk to each other. So basically, I have a products and categories base with a categories table and a products table, and I want to sync it with my orders base. So let's dive right in and I'll show you exactly how to do that. Okay, so we're gonna go up to this top menu bar right here, and you can see right here, Share and Sync is highlighted. We're gonna click on that, and then we're gonna go ahead and sync to another base. You wanna go ahead and turn on Allow Data in this view to be synced to other bases. This is very important, otherwise this whole sync operation is not going to work. You can also have the option of sharing with people outside of your company's support organization. For right now, we're gonna keep that off. And then I'm going to go ahead and allow edits from other bases. So you can actually do all editable fields, which I'm going to go ahead and keep on. But in case you want to just do specific fields, you can turn on name, category description, products, etc. So you can turn on and off these fields that you want edited. But for now, like I said, we're going to keep all editable fields. And then I'm going to also allow creating new records and allow deleting records. Then what we're gonna do is we're gonna go over here to sync link tables, and we're gonna pick product catalog, and then we're gonna go back here, and then we're gonna do sync this view. Now it's gonna ask you to go ahead and pick your workspace. So we picked our workspace, and then also you have to select the correct base, and then make sure this is selected, create a sync table that will be kept up to date as the data changes. You also have the options of selecting this. We're not going to, we're gonna keep this one on, but this is going to copy the data into a new table that you can edit. Then you're gonna hit create table. Now you're gonna go over to the categories table, and you're gonna go through the exact same steps that I just showed that we did for the products. Now, as you can see, it is displaying the product catalog and then the categories that we synced. And then what you can also do in this area is you can update the sync configuration, and you can decide if you want to allow editors to edit the source records or sync changes or delete records, etc. And then hit sync now. So you can change all those settings within here underneath the table settings. Since you synced these tables in the orders base, you can actually go ahead and make these fields as linked records. So you can have it display exactly how a linked record would be, so that you can actually click in here and you can edit live. So we're gonna go ahead and change this to Books and Media 21. Now we're gonna go back over to the other base, products and categories, and look right here. We went ahead and edited the record for the category, and it pops up right here, Books and Media 21. And that about wraps it up. It's very efficient, pretty simple to do, and I recommend you playing around with it in Airtable so that you can apply it to your next build. If you like this tutorial on two-way syncing on Airtable, please subscribe to our channel. Also, if you're interested in booking a discovery call with us, that is linked below. Until next time, happy creating.